This video is on an overview of the immune system. The immune system is one of the 11 body systems in the human. It is a complex and complicated system with many working parts. Part of the reasoning for this is that pathogens come in many different forms, from bacteria and viruses, worms and parasites, toxins, and even such innocuous things such as pollen and peanuts. For any pathogen or disease-causing agent to take hold in the human body, it must first breach barriers that have been set up to prevent pathogen invasion. This is part of what is called the innate immune system. This includes skin, mucous membranes, acid in the stomach, and the blood-brain barrier. When a breach is achieved, the immune system goes to battle with the inflammatory response. This response will cause swelling in the area, increase blood flow to the area causing it to become reddened and hot, and of course painful. Think of a hive, a boil, or a rash. The immune system has a second branch called the acquired immunity. This comes from exposure to pathogens and antigens. Antigens are part of the pathogen that the immune system responds to. The first time you have an infection, your innate system works overtime to kill the invader through inflammation, but it also sets up the acquired system with an antigen. The acquired system takes this antigen and develops an antibody specific for that particular antigen. This process takes about 10 days to 2 weeks to complete. After that time, the acquired system now has memory cells that respond to the antigen. When the pathogen invades again, the memory cell triggers antibodies to be released that attach to the pathogen, preventing it from attacking the body's cells. This is a rapid and very accurate response. The person doesn't even know that they have been exposed, as they don't get sick. Vaccines are injections of antigen into the body so the acquired system can develop antibodies to the antigen before the person is exposed to the bacteria or virus. That way, when the person is later exposed, the antibodies are ready to go and the person does not become ill. Your immune system knows what your cells look like. If something comes to the immune system's attention that does not look like you, such as a bacterium, it will attack it. Each person has a different mix of glycoproteins on the outside of their cells, making each person unique. It is these cell markers that must be matched between an organ donor and organ recipient before a transplant can be done. If the transplanted organ does not match, the recipient's immune system will see the organ as a foreign invader and attack the organ, destroying it. Sometimes cancer cells have a different mix of glycoproteins on the cell membrane from the typical body cell. If this happens, the immune system can be used to attack and destroy the cancer cell. This treatment is called immunotherapy and in the future may replace chemotherapy for the treatment of cancer. The immune system is not always helpful. It is the major cause of the symptoms of allergies, whether it is a runny nose and watery eyes of pollen, or the rash from poison ivy, or the trouble breathing from exposure to peanuts. The immune system is responsible. These allergens are not dangerous by themselves, nor do they cause diseases. The immune system, however, has decided that the allergen is dangerous and will cause the allergic reaction. The immune system is a fascinating, high-functioning, life-saving system of the human body.